You alright there, ladies and gents? How's it going? I'm out on the Angry Bee, my little GSXR750. Heading over to Loomies. What a change, eh? What a change. Gonna get myself some lunch. Thought I'd tear up some twisties while we've got a nice sunny day. It's been pretty rubbish recently, and I've got stir crazy sitting in the house looking at rain. So I'm quite glad that we've got some sunshine. It's a bit nippy though, it's a bit nippy. I think it's one of the last days I'll be wearing my summer gloves for a bit.
Keep that bud. Rubber side down.
I'll tell you what, all joking aside about the ludicrous speed numbers that my Speedo's giving out, this bike is blooming rapid with this gear change I've done. It's almost a little bit intimidating. I think that's mainly due to me not being used to riding fast motorcycles. But yeah, this thing gets up to speed very, very rapidly now. Very, very rapidly. Oh, I am absolutely loving the riding position with these bars. I really am. But it's changed the weight distribution of the motorcycle. And it means I'm kind of wishing I had a little bit of wheelie control at times, you know? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Cool, I am wishing that I hadn't pulled off the heated grips when I did the bar swap though. Oh, my fingertips are gold, gold, gold. What do you reckon the chances are of a clear run through here? Minimal, I say, especially on a bike this fast. It just catches up with everything so damn quickly. It is a damn awesome road though when you do get a clear run. Oh, we love it. Oh, we love it. Oh no, Lorio! So yeah, you putting your leathers away for winter? Are you going to carry on riding? I'll be riding all the way through, but then I'm quite fortunate to have my little beta enduro bike, so I can do some sloppy, muddy green lanes once the weather turns. And that's all fun, that's good. It's supposed to be sloppy and wet and cold and stuff like that. That's what it's all about. For the road stuff, I'll do a little bit less road riding, that's for sure, in the winter. Don't ever hang me leathers up though. Mini punch. There's just a tiny wincy overtaking place in a minute. I'm hoping it's going to be clear for me to get past. Just around this corner here we get a squidge, Speed! It is a real problem having a sports bike and a YouTube channel. Because even with my silly Speedo, yeah, there's not a lot I can get up to on this bike without incriminating myself. So yes, these are highly edited videos. Yeah, things get naughty very quickly on a sports bike. Very naughty indeed. And behaving myself is not something I'm very good at. Not on this thing. It's just too much fun. Fun. Cornery fun, bumpy fun. Fun. Oh yes, lots of fun. All legal though, all legal. Get the speed well legal there. Naughty boys, not me. I'm a good boy, me. So I pretty much have to censor out all of the blooming good bits for you. Can't let you watch naughty things, can I? Can't let you watch naughty things. So you just get a couple of little bits like this, and then a picture of me burger maybe. Fun. I've only just noticed that the fuel light is flashing on this bike, and I can't remember if it flashes when it's empty or if it goes solid when it's empty. I'm hoping it flashes when it's on reserve and goes solid when you've got that's all left. So because of all that, I have no idea if this is going to make a very good video or not. We'll have to see. Well, alrighty. If this video was any good, give it a little thumbs up. If it wasn't, you can give it a little thumbs down. I don't mind at all. If you haven't done so already, please do click that subscribe button. It'd be ace to have you come back for some more. Some of my videos are actually watchable. And have more content in them than edited out speeding. Not that I would do that, Ossifer. I would never do that. I'm a good boy. Yeah. So do click that subscribe button. That would be very much appreciated. And anyways, right. We'll close out with a burger picture. So you ride safe. Take take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Gotta keep that bike rubber side down. Yeah, you know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.